Look, it's like some damn mom porn. What is going on over here? What's wrong with sis? Okay. Why did someone say pressure? Okay. That's Pastor Justin Jackson. Is that not ridiculous? And if you notice, let me take the flames off. Why is this liked by the Jackson twins? The Jackson twins are the bitty babies. Okay. Those are the little babies. Do you see this? Is this not disgusting? They're gross to me. They are truly gross. Okay. Um, is it this way or girl, look at this.
Oh my gosh, don't get me monster, please, no. Fuck this pussy boy. Fuck it.
That's Pastor Justin Jackson. Okay.